Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Hamilton, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are going to walk through some of the most common deck design mistakes we see and how you can avoid them before your project starts. The first big regret we hear about is size and layout. Many homeowners build a deck that looks large on paper, but feels tight once furniture and people are in place. For example, a table that seats 6 needs room for chairs to slide back and for people to walk behind them. If there is a grill nearby, you also need safe space around it, so you are not bumping into hot surfaces as you move. Taking time to sketch furniture and walkways to scale can prevent a deck from feeling cramped. Another mistake is not thinking about how doors and stairs will be used every day. A door that swings out onto a narrow landing or a stairway positioned directly in the main seating area can create awkward traffic patterns. Ideally, steps should lead people naturally to the yard without cutting through conversation areas. A good layout guides movement without forcing you to squeeze past chairs or walk behind a hot grill. Height choices can also lead to regret. Sometimes a deck is set just high enough that railings are required when a small adjustment in height or design could have reduced visual clutter. Other times, trying to avoid railings leads to uncomfortable step heights or slopes that do not feel safe. The key is to balance code requirements, views, and comfort, so the deck feels open but still meets safety standards. Safety details like stairs, railings, and lighting are easy to underplan. Stairs that are too steep, treads that are too narrow, or handrails that are hard to grab can make everyday use feel uneasy. Poor lighting at doors or stairways can become a real issue in the evening or winter months. Planning for solid railings, comfortable stair proportions, and simple lighting near transitions makes the deck safer and more welcoming. Material choice is another area where short-term savings can turn into long-term frustration. Cheaper boards may look fine at first, but can weather quickly, leading to splinters, stains, and uneven wear. Composite decking from brands like TimberTech offers a low-maintenance surface that keeps its appearance better over time, especially in heavy-use areas like stairs and main walkways. Finally, some designs do not consider future plans. If you think you might add a pergola, outdoor kitchen, or sunroom later, it helps to plan structure and layout with those upgrades in mind. That might mean sizing beams to handle a future roof load, setting posts where they can support a cover, or leaving space for utilities. A bit of foresight can save you from major changes when you are ready to expand your outdoor living space. If you want help designing a deck that avoids these common pitfalls, you can reach our team at 513-895-9287 or visit toughdeckbuildershamilton.com to start a conversation. At Tough Deck Builders Hamilton, we focus on practical layouts, solid structure, and materials that hold up to real life, not just pictures. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Hamilton, and we will talk with you on the next episode.